Today we're gonna draw and color a seal. Seal is an interesting animal. Do you like it? Let's get started then. The projector painting. It's a high-tech learning. What we got inside? 3 lantern slides, 21 patterns, and 12 color pens. Let's take them out now. The color pen, the projector, and the 3 image slides. Let's take it out. And that's the Projector Painting Art textbook. That's the disc with the images here. Let's keep them aside for now. Let's place the art textbook on the projector. Nice and easy, we turn on the light and we see the image of the seal. First we draw the outline, starting from the mouth. Nice and easy. You can see the image, but you have to just draw the outline. Yeah, like this. It's an easy one. Yay! The eye. This looks nice. This is the sketch of the seal. Let's color it now. Let's take the light blue color now and start coloring it. Starting from the mouth and the face. On the edges first, and then we can start filling it up. Nice and easy. Simple strokes. Careful around the outline. Make sure you fill up all the gaps. Single strokes. I like this. It gives a good texture, right? Be careful in the narrow areas. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Nice! Let's take the color yellow for the eyeballs. Just the inner circle. And with the dark blue, let's darken the outline here. That is our seal! Yay! That's a pretty looking seal! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.